In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT versus Google search engine and what the preference really comes down to. When people compare these two tools, the most important thing to understand is that they are designed to help in different ways. ChatGPT provides conversational answers and explanations. Instead of giving you a list of links, it responds more like a helpful assistant, summarizing ideas and presenting information in a simple, readable format. Google Search, on the other hand, returns links, websites, and search results from across the internet. Its strength is helping you discover information from many different sources so you can explore, compare, and verify what you find. A simple example is a prompt like "Explain quantum computing in simple terms." With ChatGPT, you'll usually get a direct explanation right away, written in plain language. With Google, you'll see articles, videos, blogs, and educational pages that all approach the topic differently. So if you want a fast explanation, ChatGPT may feel easier. If you want to dig deeper and check multiple perspectives, Google is often the better choice. Speed and convenience are another big part of this comparison. ChatGPT delivers direct answers without requiring you to open and browse multiple websites. That makes it especially useful for learning, brainstorming ideas, organizing thoughts, and improving productivity. Google, however, offers access to a huge range of sources and viewpoints. It's especially effective when you need to find a specific website, a product, or information that depends on the latest updates available online. For example, if you ask for a summary of the key points of digital marketing for beginners, ChatGPT can give you a clean overview in seconds. Google can also help, but it may require more time to sort through articles and choose which sources to trust. In that situation, ChatGPT is often more convenient, while Google gives you more room to explore. When it comes to research and accuracy, Google has a major advantage because it allows users to verify information from original sources. This is especially important for breaking news, real-time updates, and topics where accuracy must be checked carefully. ChatGPT is still very useful here, but more for summarizing, organizing, and explaining information quickly. It works well for tutorials, content creation, and comparing topics in a clear way, such as discussing the advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicles. So what's the preference? Choose ChatGPT for explanations, writing help, brainstorming, and productivity tasks. Choose Google for web browsing, source verification, and current events. For many people, the best approach is to use both together. The right choice depends on whether you need answers, sources, or a combination of both.